Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I've got a nice yarn haul from Hobbii. I treated myself. It took about what, 10-12 days to get here, and let's open it and see what I've got. You all know I love Hobbii yarn, and let's see what we've got today. I like the way the bags have got the little handle on. There we go. Ooh, nice. So, let's see what we've got. I've got some of the Universe, and it's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. It is 3.5 crochet hook, 3 to 3.5 knitting needle. It's 100 grams and 505 yards. And the colour is number 11, and I got 2 of those. They'll make a nice autumn shawl. And then I got 2 of these. Oops. Again, the Universe, and can you see the sparkle? Really nice, really pretty. And this is yeah, exactly the same, and it's it's a number 1. So I've got the blue, and the colour is number 2. I wish they'd give them colours, but these are really nice, all the different shades of blues. So I've got 2 of them. And I got, again, Universe, but I got the greens. Look at the greens, aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they just beautiful? And this is it's a number 6, and again it's 505. So I've got 1,010 yards, which will be enough to make a nice poncho, I think. So I'm really excited about that, using that, and it is a number 1. And then I got, you know, I love the twister. I've got a sweet, a little candy, and I got some 3 buttons. Sorry about the crinkle. So I've got 3 crystal buttons. So I've got 6 of them now, because in my last Hobbii I got them. So I've got 6 of them. That's my invoice. But it doesn't sell me. Oh, hold on. Oh, I can tell you the names. So, because it's on the invoice. So number 2, number 6. So this is called Vega. This is called New Moon. And this is called Magnitude. Nice names, aren't they? And then, last but not least, I got 3 of the twister. So, look good. And the twister, this is, does it tell me colour? Right, okay. So that one's like purple, that one's ginger, and this one's called Iceberg. Isn't that lovely? And the twister is a cotton and acrylic blend, 55 cotton, 45 acrylic. Excuse me. And there's 437 yards. So I've already got 2 of these. So I've got 3 now, which will be more than enough to make a poncho or a shawl or a wearable. And this is to go with my sweater, because I had a feeling I might not have enough. So yeah, so they're my that's my Hobbii yarn haul. So what do you think? Which is your favourite? The green, which is called New Moon. Is it New Moon? Number 6 is called New Moon. This is called Vega, which is the blue, and this is called Magnitude. Which of those 3 is your favourite? Which is mine? Which one do you think is mine? To be honest, I like this one. I like autumnal colours. Yeah, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.